A service technician is recommending air conditioner maintenance to the building's owner. The owner is suddenly faced with unexpected costs. And just when it looks like it will stop, the big one hits. He's really got a problem. What? A flash of inspiration. It's the Air Conditioning Network Service System. The compressor is the heart of an air conditioner. Many sensors are used to control it. The majority of problems involving compressors have to do with those sensors. With Daikin system, sensor problems are dealt with as they occur, preventing larger problems. That's why if you sign up for the system when your air conditioner is installed, your maintenance costs are significantly reduced. Now you can manage your budget with a sense of security.